Group behavior is a captivating subject within social psychology, offering a window into how individuals behave differently in group settings compared to when they are alone. Let's explore this topic in depth, weaving in comprehensive research, key historical perspectives, and illustrative case studies. The formal study of group behavior began to gain prominence in the early 20th century. One of the earliest and most significant figures in this field was Gustave Le Bon, who in 1895 published The Crowd, a Study of the Popular Mind. Le Bon proposed that individuals in a crowd lose their personal consciousness and rationality, becoming part of a collective mind that drives emotional and impulsive behavior. In 1924, William McDougall, another pioneer, published The Group Mind, which focused on the psychological dynamics of groups and how they differ from individual psychology. These early works laid the groundwork for understanding the psychological phenomena that occur within groups. One of the earliest concepts in group behavior was social facilitation, first researched by Norman Triplett in 1898. Triplett found that cyclists pedaled faster when racing in groups than when racing alone. This led to the understanding that the presence of others can enhance performance on simple tasks, but may hinder performance on complex tasks. Solomon Asch's conformity experiments in the 1950s were pivotal. He demonstrated how individuals often conform to group opinions, even when they are obviously incorrect due to the pressure to fit in. This aligns with Irving Janis's theory of groupthink in the 1970s, where he found that a group's desire for harmony and conformity results in irrational decision-making outcomes. This phenomenon, extensively researched by social psychologists Bibb Latané and John Darley, following the murder of Kitty Genovese in 1964, illustrates how individuals in a group are less likely to offer help to a victim when other people are present. Robbers Cave Experiment, 1954. Muzaffar Sharif's landmark study demonstrated how intergroup conflict arises and can be resolved. He observed that conflict emerged when groups competed for limited resources but could be reduced through cooperative tasks that required intergroup cooperation, highlighting the importance of superordinate goals. Stanford Prison Experiment, 1971. Philip Zimbardo's controversial study showcased how normal students assumed aggressive roles as prison guards or submissive roles as prisoners, influenced by the social roles they were given. This experiment emphasized the power of social roles and group expectations in shaping behavior. Research has shown that groups tend to make riskier decisions than individuals, a phenomenon known as risky shift. Group polarization, where discussion leads the group to adopt a more extreme position, further compounds this effect. Moreover, studies indicate that diverse groups tend to generate more creative solutions and are more effective at problem-solving than homogeneous groups. It's important to consider how the understanding of group behavior has evolved. Early theories focused heavily on the irrationality of crowds. However, contemporary research emphasizes the complexity of group dynamics, recognizing both the positive and negative aspects of group behavior. Group behavior is a multifaceted domain of social psychology, reflecting the complexity of human interactions. From enhancing individual performance to influencing decision-making and conformity, understanding group behavior is crucial in diverse contexts, from organizational settings to social movements. As Kurt Lewin, often referred to as the father of social psychology, famously said, "The way to understand the whole is not to study the parts separately, but to study their interrelations in their dynamic whole." This holistic approach to studying group behavior not only enriches our understanding of social dynamics, but also highlights the profound impact of groups on individual behavior.
As you continue to explore and grow with this course, we'd like to gently remind you about something very important. Have you shared your thoughts on our course yet? If not, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is invaluable to us. It's the compass that guides us in improving and tailoring our content to better suit your learning needs. Rating this course doesn't just help us, it also assists your fellow students in navigating their learning journey. By sharing your experience, you're lighting a path for others to follow, helping them make informed decisions about their education. It's quick and easy, just a few clicks right here, but the impact of your words will resonate far and wide. Think about it. Your insight today could be the beacon for someone's learning journey tomorrow. So if you haven't yet, please take a moment to leave a review. Let us know what you loved and what you'd like to see more of. Your voice is integral to our community of learners. Happy learning, and we're eagerly waiting to hear from you.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.